Hi guys, welcome to my vlog from YouTube channel, Trekkings Vlog. Update as traffic there guys. Traffic situation for today, afternoon traffic. Bumper to bumper guys. Be careful everyone. Mandawi traffic situation. Traffic here guys. Under construction. There is Taytayan. In front, Inurita. Welcome to my vlog from YouTube channel, Trekkings Vlog. Thank you for watching.